Hello children, let us continue with the third part of this chapter, that is components of business studies. So, we are going to learn now role of business and commerce in economic development. So, what is trade? Trade means buying and selling of goods. Other hand, commerce includes trade and also aids to trade. Which are the aids to trade? That include transport, banks, warehouse, facilities, advertisement agencies, insurance, etc. So here traders supply goods to the consumers. How? According to their daily needs. For the smooth conduct of business, transport helps for the movement of goods from one place to another. Bank helps to provide financial assistance. During the storage, goods are exposed to some damage or loss. The insurance companies cover the loss. Houses helps to store goods and bridge the gap between production and consumption. Advertisement helps to give information about goods produced. So, commerce is responsible for smooth and continuous supply of goods to the consumers. So, commerce helps in bringing the factors required for the establishment of industries, and it brings the different parts of the world closer. It helps the traders to become more adventurous. It equalizes the prices, blends the ideas and cultures, and helps for the national and international integration. Commerce also helps the government through paying rates, taxes and duties, and it is a good source of income to the government. Now, let us learn more about development of commerce during 21st century. So, the 21st century is called the age of information technology. So, what is information technology? Information technology, that is technology that enables information to be used to produce products and services and make it reach to the consumer. So that is known as information technology. So the 21st century is called as information technology. It includes internet banking. Banking can be done sitting at home through internet. Mobile banking, banking transactions and savings, deposit, payment of money can be done through the mobile. Privatization of insurance. So, due to privatization, there is no restriction. The actions are done very quickly and effective services are given by the insurance agencies. And advancement of telecommunication services. Communication has become very easy. You can communicate sitting in a small village to the entire world. Shopping, you can do online shopping. Online shopping, you just has to order the product and product will come to your door. So online shopping, e-commerce means that is electronic commerce. You are doing the trade or the production or the economic activity through electronic instruments. But the transportation, specialty, electronic media, all these has spread over the world. So world has become small village. You can get any product easily within a few days through this system of banking, internet banking, mobile banking, e-commerce, or better electronic media, etc. So the development of commerce during 21st century is also due to the multinational companies, that is MNC. So they have started their business in many countries. So they help in increase in production and supply of goods to the world market. These companies produce and supply specialized goods on a large scale and their prices are competitive. So what it means? They have companies in different countries also. They produce goods. That goods are sold in many other countries. How? Through the multinational companies. So these multinational companies produce specialized goods on a large scale and their prices are competitive. On the whole, commerce is developing at a greater speed. This is the end of the chapter. Hope all have understood this chapter, children. Thank you.